21. Did that spin? No. It's rounding. What are we with? 20? It's 21. 21. 21. Let's see. Do you fit? Yeah. Alright. Can I? Just about. Yeah. There's probably a way of testing these, but I've got the new one, so my plan is just to chuck it in and hope. I just can't. Actually, look, there's some of the old bad oil, not much in there. But remember, this black bit spun separate independent, so I don't know if that's good or bad. Oh shit, is it the same design? Yeah, it is perfect. Right, let me... I don't know really what I'm looking at there, but yeah, it's a pressure switch. I don't really know how it works. Tiny dab of oil on the new one. In by hand first. Ooh, that was interesting. Ah. Come on. There's a seal in there. Ooh. There's a seal that you've got to get past, but you've still got to line up the threads properly. That's interesting. Or should I pop the seal and put it on the end of here? No, I think it's designed to be in there actually. Oh, come on. It's very awkward, it's tight in here. I cannot get in. Right, let's try straight as possible. That fills in. That feels good. Right, let's get this back. It wasn't torqued very strong. I don't know if that's good or bad, so I'm not going to go too nuts. There's a seal in there as well. I think I'm going to stick to that. Hand tight. The main thing is that it's not leaking. Well, you know, is that we don't want it to be leaking. Right, that's there. Where's the nut? There it is. On the inside. I'm going to clean this. I'm going to clean this up just so that the connection is better. like to be much cleaner. That seems right. Let's get the protective sleeve on. There it is. So, I don't think I'd know if it's fixed. I think at idle it didn't seem to do it. You had to rev it a bit. I'm going to give it a couple of minutes and then I'll see. The smoke's from a tiny bit of oil that dropped out of the hole. that a couple more minutes and let it get up to 10. I'm just in the background looking at the fly to see if I can get the spark plug out, but it's such a pig. It's spark plug you do through here, look. See that? So you have to find the right angle through there, and it is such a pig, and obviously it was cross-threaded before. If I can get it in at the right angle, at the right shape, then there's probably enough threads for it to be okay, but it's such a pain at this stage, such a pain. I'm going to take this panel off fully. It's only got one more screw back here, just down there, and see if I can do something with it. Hasn't even got a battery. I don't even know where the battery is. It might be that one there, it might be at home, I'm not sure.